artistic family. I hope all is well. Anyone who is new, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe by the end of the video and double check to make sure you are subscribed to the channel. So go to your subscribe button, make sure it's black and click all. I appreciate it. So I'm back with another 12 by 24 inch canvas that I ended up painting with some leftovers from my last metallic pour. It was a triple straight pour. I'll link that for you to see. Turned out gorgeous, beautiful cell effects in it without anything. So they were all organic. So as you saw, first time I am using metallic silver spray paint in my acrylic pour. I just added a couple squirts of water. A little bit goes a long way, so I didn't put much in this 1 ounce cup, but it's going to be so reflective and beautiful. Then I think I'm going to add some bling to it. So let's go ahead and start painting. Wow, this turned out amazing. I can't wait for it to dry just to show you guys even more. But look at that yummy reflectiveness from the spray paint. It is so cool. And the way that it flows in liquid form is obviously different than what you're used to when you just spray paint it. So mixing it with fluid art, I'm amazed, and I love the cool patterns, because as you saw, it moves differently than fluid paint does. And look at the awesome cool cells coming through. Those patterns there are gorgeous. It looks like I used a stencil. So what I'm going to do here on the corners is I'm going to add some bling. I have some silver glitter. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. I have some glass ones, some crushed gravel glitter. I'm just going to kind of take a look and see which one would look best. But I love this. And it just adds to the elegance by using it. And I can't wait to explore more with it. So let's let this dry, and I'll see you back on the canvas. Okay, the piece is dry now. And it's still very gorgeous and reflective. Still kind of stuck to my table, but how beautiful that is. I'm in between this here, which is a mix of silver and gold glass glitter, or gravel glitter is what they call it, I think. And I'm kind of torn between that one and then the regular fine silver. I'm feeling like it's the gravel. Hopefully it's the right choice. You guys can let me know in the comments. So let's go ahead. immediately it's that one for sure. The silver fine glitter. I just can't tell you guys. No, if you've been with me for a while, you guys know how much I'm in love, in love with metallics. But this is a boo-boo. I'm gonna have to update you guys on that one. And it stands out so much because of the side, how much was left for the negative space of the background. So if it was about as small as this section, it wouldn't bother me as much. Because, I mean, the colors obviously flow. And maybe if it was just the gold down here, not mixed in with the silver as well. But that's what we got, guys. There's a lot of interest in this, and there's a lot of different patterns. Gorgeous ones because of the spray paint. And that, to me, just makes it way too busy. But I absolutely love it. And I will tell you a little secret that I've done in the past early on that I might do with this piece is I may actually cut this out from the canvas. Now that I think about it, just came into my head, and frame it separately into a smaller frame. So maybe like an 11 by 14 or something like that, probably 11 by 14 size, and then frame it. Because I don't think anything's gonna work on this besides me scraping it, and I don't want to have to do that. So anyways, guys, when you see it next, it probably may not be in this form, but I want to know your guys' thoughts on the glitter. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next pour or painting.